Today is March the 2nd, 2026, and it's with great excitement that I'd like to launch my first product of my new brand called RINO. And the first product of the brand is going to be this extreme duty all stainless storage tank. And you can put water, gasoline, diesel, whatever. You can put whatever in it. And so a little bit about the product is it's going to be indestructible, and that's going to be the motto. That's going to be the line of products. That's the name that I'm creating. That's what it's going to stand for. RINO is going to stand for indestructibility, exaggerated, apocalyptic. The valve itself weighs like 5 pounds. See the thickness of the stainless, and it's pure stainless. It's all stainless. Everything here is all stainless. And I'm gonna have bigger cans and then other products, but this is officially the first one. It's not even welded yet, but this is what I've been dreaming of. This right here. And it came inspired from this. You know, you need a storage can, and today the only things you have available are this kind of garbage here. And you can see that from the lid, even though it's closed tight, you still get leakage, seepage from the lid here, as you can see. And this is, and then it just becomes a mess. It's hard to clean. It's actually a fire hazard because this is fucking plastic, so it melts. You know, if you get a spark, or you drop something on it, or it runs over, or just from sitting outside, the UV rays of the sun damage the fucking plastic. So I actually had another one of these. I fucking smashed because I was carrying it in the car, and then it broke right here, just cracked, and then it leaked inside the car. So I actually used this here, which is a little bit better. Just an old paint remover can. But it's still, as you can see, kind of crappy. I still smash it, but not this baby. These are gonna build. This is gonna be like Mad Max's dream right here, and it's my dream. So, brought to you from Old Crow's Classic Cars. And you know, the funny thing is, I literally was dreaming of a valve like this because I didn't want a big handle. I might have a design like that, but I wanted something concise, and I didn't want to have a gasket. So this valve uses the same technology as this valve. There's no gasket, there's no rubber. It's just the concave shape gets smashed, with pressures against the other surface, and it seals it just from the force alone. And this is exactly what I'm gonna have here. And the interesting thing too is you can open it through here, and whatever liquid you have comes out here. But you can also completely remove this top lid here, and you can fill liquid in here, or if you want more liquid to come out this way, you have that option. I'm not sure I'm gonna have this other cap lid here, possibly, but I don't think so. So it might look just like that, pretty much. So stay tuned for the progress of this project. I'm very excited. I truly believe that I'm writing my name in history. Old Crow's Classic Cars is, in history in many ways, and it's reached many people, and I wanted to, people to have access to this, many more people.